If you have a septic system, knowing what not to flush or pour down the drain can save you from some serious headaches and costly repairs. So first off, never dump grease or cooking oils down your sink because they harden and clog up your pipes and septic tank. Also, avoid harsh chemicals like bleach or drain cleaners since they can kill the good bacteria your septic system needs to break down waste. Don't flush non-biodegradable stuff like wipes, paper towels, or feminine hygiene products because they won't break down and will cause blockages. Medications are another big no-no since they can mess with the natural bacteria balance and pollute the water. Coffee grounds and eggshells are better off in the trash or compost bin because they don't dissolve well. Even small amounts of paint or solvents can harm your septic system, so it's best to dispose of those properly. Remember, only human waste and toilet paper that's septic safe should go down the toilet. And if you're ever unsure about something, just toss it in the garbage instead of risking damage to your system. One of the biggest mistakes people make with septic systems is flushing everything without thinking, leading to clogs and backups that cost thousands to fix. Another common issue is pouring grease or oils down the drain, which solidifies and blocks pipes or the tank itself. Just cool it, scrape it into the trash instead. Lastly, using harsh chemicals kills the beneficial bacteria inside your septic tank, so switch to natural or septic-safe cleaning products to keep everything balanced and working right. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to septic systems and home repairs. For contractors, it's a great way to get steady work by connecting with people in their area who need reliable services.